bath soap. Patay ang 99.9% of bacteria and virus tested. Bilib ang mga eksperto sa Philippine Nurses Association.
Sa sakit protektado, i-shield mo. Pamilya protektado, i-shield mo.
Shield Bath Soap, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS.
Tatak RMN.
We are Land Bank, and we are here for you. We are Land Bank, helping make your dreams come true.
Makinig at umasenso sa iba't ibang produkto at serbisyong hatid ng Land Bank of the Philippines. Tutok na sa Balitang Land Bank. Balitang Land Bank. Tuwing Martes, alas 5:30 ng umaga sa RMN stations nationwide. Mapapanood din ito sa Facebook at YouTube Live ng RMN stations at sa Signal TV Channel 309. Para sa iba pang updates, i-like, follow at share ang official Land Bank Facebook, Instagram at YouTube accounts na at Land Bank Official at LBP_official sa Twitter, Land Bank sa Viber o kaya naman pumunta sa official Land Bank website na www.landbank.com.
Serving the nation, Land Bank.
Chena Nuevo Energia! All new best ever Enervon, Enervon Z Plus. Powered junto con zinc, vitamin C, vitamins B1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and 12, e-vitamin E. All new best ever Enervon.
Hey! Enervon Z Plus.
Unilab yan.
Multivitamins plus zinc is the generic name of Enervon Z Plus. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
This time check is brought to you by Diatabs. Tapos ang diarrhea sa bilis talab Diatabs.
Cali, Cali, pop, pop, Cali, Cali, pop, pop, Cali, Cali, pop, pop, Cali, para sa perky ang mood. Cali, pop, pop, bubbly ang sarap. Cali, pop, pop, sparkling apple, pineapple, uy, meron ding light. May Cali sa malapit, babili ka na. Cali, Cali, pop, pop, bubbly Cali, pop, pop, feeling good, sarap.
No alcohol ang Cali, kaya bubbly sarap for everybody.
Easy lang. Enjoy lang sa lakbay. Di mo mamamalayan. Ang layo na ng narating mo. Parang Tanduay. 170 years ng matibay. Tuloy-tuloy lang. Nakakarating ka rin. Taas baso ng Tanduay. Drink responsibly. Taas baso sa 170 years ng tibay. Tanduay Rum. Drink responsibly.
Boom, papaya, white rose papaya, yeah, yeah, yeah. Boom, puti ka in 7 days, oh yeah, 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 yeah. White rose papaya.
New White Rose Papaya. May double whitening ng papaya extracts and vitamin B3. Clinically proven magpaputi in as early as 7 days with regular use.
Boom, puti ka, white rose papaya, yeah, 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 yeah.
Papaya puti, papaya fast. White Rose Papaya with vitamin B3. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Ito ang dahilan kaya lamang ang may tapang pinakalang dehado yung palalyamado. Ito ang tunay na never say die. Sayang na tama ay tunay. Itaas ang bagay, kabarangay. Drink responsibly.
Ginebra San Miguel, lamang ang may tapang sa One Ginebra Nation.
Spirit with Batang San Miguel. Ilabas! Magkwentuhan tayo. Spirit na ilabas mo. Makikinig ako. Spirit na ilabas ang kwento. Pag San Miguel tayo. Spirit na ilabas mo. San Miguel kay Vincent. Sarap laging kasama. Drink responsibly. Ang San Miguel Pale Pilsen 320 ml, 40 SRP lang. Ang Grande, 105 SRP lang. Bili na! Drink responsibly.
Ang maong oras hatod kanato sa Plemex for Kids. Mommies, tambali dayon ang ubo o plema nga nakababag. Pambata nga lagundi, Flemix.
Hi, I'm Lynn Cruz, a businesswoman and happy wife of Tirsa Cruz III. Raising my kids with the aim to Christian teachings is my joy. I got to know MX3 through my mom. Ni-research ko talagang mabuti ito. Since then, I always make sure I have it in my bag. Taking MX3 capsules with my healthy diet and workout, I'm able to cope well with life's challenges. With God by my side and MX3 in my life, I am prepared to face whatever the future brings.
Mahalagang paalala, ang MX3 capsule ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamiting panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
MX3. Tunay, natural, at original. Tatak RMN. Maskin donde hasta cuando. Tatak RMN.